Today, we will be learning how to map and address a device on the GR series panel. Before we begin with the programming, please take a moment to locate the addressing button on your device. For a Chelsea switch, you can use either button 1 or the black press button on the back of the switch. For a panel, depending on the type, the addressing button will read as assign, set/read address, or address/erase, and will appear as a green button, a black press button, a yellow button, or a silver button. Our panel has a silver button and is labeled set/read address. For this demonstration, we will only be addressing and mapping our Chelsea switch. Our panel has already been configured. Once you have located the address button of your device, move to your master control panel. Use the tab down button to enter into the user menu and then navigate the following path. Setup menu, restricted, and when it prompts you for a password, press scroll down, tab up, and scroll up to input 900001 and press enter. Once you're in the factory setup menu, select bus map and press enter. If you have an older system, this option may read as panel/switch types. A bus map is effectively a digital plan of where everything will reside inside the system. Once you've entered into the bus map, you will see a list of addresses or IDs. There are 7 IDs per page with 19 pages for a total of 127 addresses. While most standard devices, such as switches or cards, take up a single address, panels often take up multiple addresses. A panel will need one address for every 8 relays inside the panel. As we can see here, our 4 relay panel is housed under the first address of ID 1. Use the tab down button to navigate to an unused slot, and then use either scroll up or scroll down to select the device we are mapping. Since we are mapping a Chelsea switch, we will select the 6-button switch. Once you have completed your mapping, press the exit button one time to return to the factory setup menu. Press tab up to select addressing bus scan and press enter. For older systems, this option may appear as auto addressing. When in the bus diagnostics menu, tab down to highlight address by button, which is where we can digitally place a device in an area. Press enter and your screen should read start address followed by a number, in this case number 1. No 2 devices should have the same address or there will be communication issues. The address number you select here should be the same as the ID number in the bus map. So start address 1 in this case corresponds to our panel, since the panel is mapped to ID 1. Since we mapped our Chelsea switch to ID 2 in the bus map, we will need to scroll up to change the start address from 1 to 2. With that address highlighted on the screen, step away from the panel and move over to your device. If we press the address button on our device, in this case the 1 button on our Chelsea switch, you will notice that the start address number will increase by 1. This means that the start address, number 2, has successfully been written to our device. Once you have addressed all of your desired devices in this way, you may exit the system. That concludes our video. Thanks for watching.